Hi, and in this really quick Microsoft Word tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change all the cases for your text, whether it's uppercase, lowercase, sentence case, toggle case. So we'll just quickly go through the different scenarios here. So for example, if you've got a lowercase sentence, highlight the sentence, go up to this icon here, which is going to solve all your problems, click on the drop down and select sentence case. And there you can see that the D has changed to a capital. And then down to this one down to lowercase, click and everything goes down to lowercase. The next one, if you want everything in uppercase, click uppercase. Next one down, capitalize each word. You can see it's capitalized, particularly if you want to use that for a title. And then this one is to toggle. We've all done this where we've typed away and we've got the caps lock on. Just highlight the word or sentence, go back up to this icon and click toggle case, and then it will just simply change it over for you. I hope that's helped you today. If it has, please subscribe and have a great day.